The 1200-meter race is on its way. We have Nurture Nature, shows alertness at the start. Moving up on the outside to take second, Princess Sia. Batang Arastre is racing in third. Daluyong is by the rail, then followed by Osamandre, while Michika is the tail ender. About to pass the half-mile pole. This one, Nurture Nature, a solo leader by about 3 lengths, running now in second, Princess Sia. Daluyong is by the rail, then followed by Batang Arastre. Osamandre remains second last, and Michika as they round towards the 450. Nurture Nature just in front. Princess Sia about to throw the challenge on the outside, and moving up by the rail is Daluyong. Osamandre on the outside, Batang Arastre with Princess Sia. Daluyong is by the rail. We've got Princess Sia, Daluyong by the rail. Princess Sia over Daluyong with 75 meters. Princess Sia winning the race over Daluyong. Osamandre, Batang Arastre, Nurture Nature, Michika comes in last.